Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Another DIY, another box braid tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, kindly like this or comment below with your thoughts. So I was doing this and I thought, why not show you guys how you can also do your own hairstyle of this box braid professionally done, but you do it on the comfort of your home. So I'm starting off with freshly cleaned hair, moisturized. We'll be using a ractile comb, that one there with the sharp pointed. I will be using the rubber bands method, so I also need some rubber bands. Now for the rubber bands, kindly make sure you soak them in water to avoid friction with your hair. Not water, sorry, but oil. I will also be using the shine and jam shine and jam hair gel. It's more of a jam than a gel, but this one here I'll be using the red packet. And then we also need some pre-stretched hair. I'll be using this Abuja extra long. If you have expression where you are, you can use that, but here I chose to use this in color number 2. So we're starting off by sectioning our hair into two from ear to ear. So we have two sections, back and front. I secured the back part and remained with the front part. Now on the front part, I also divided into two smaller sections so that it can be easy manageable. Yeah, if that's a word. Yes, so I divided this into two and then started off with my my left hand side. That is what I started off with. So I'll be showing you one a detailed on how I did these braids using one section here and another one on the left side, on the right side, sorry. So after sectioning the hair, for the particular braid you want to braid, you have to start off by applying the jam. Make sure you apply the jam every single where all over your hair. Use a edge brush to brush the jam all over, or you can use the ractile comb that I was using. That is what I used. After doing that, the next thing you have to do is to secure the hair. Make sure you secure it well. Here I'm using actually 3 bands because of how loose they can get and stuff. And also another tip, make sure you also apply that jam all over your hair as well, like I did there. You can see that. So on the braiding, what you do, you make sure fold the hair into two, and then on the one of the sides take an extra braid and then roll it over to make like 3 sections. Use your fingers exactly as I'm using them so that you can hold the hair well. Now place your braiding hair on top of your natural hair and then start braiding. Kindly watch there keenly how I'm doing it. You see, that is exactly how you're supposed to do it. Okay, you can use the another method where you place the hair underneath, but this is more safer and it also hides the blood, the bands. You're not able to see them. So just secure it and then start braiding. Be very careful. The beginning is always the hardest part, but once you secure the hair, the others just flow. So I will also be showing you guys how you can steal hair from one of the braids to add to the less haired part. Yeah, less haired. I know. Yes. So just keep watching here. There you go. There you go. You see, now the middle part had more hair than the other part, and that is how I did to steal some hair and make it as equal as possible. This gives you a more flawless and just a good size of the entire braiding hair. So just braid throughout the hair until you get to the end. I did this to all the parts. Now on this particular side I had 6 braids. Yeah, I was going for actually 5 of them, but I think my sectioning of the hair is not yet perfect, so I ended up doing 6 so that I can also minimize on the sizes. I didn't want like massive jumbo braids. I just wanted big but not massive. Yeah, that makes sense. So just braid, braid, braid. Do that to all your sections. And then I did that on all the braids and I ended up having 6, as I said earlier. You see here I'm still stealing hair, as I told you guys, and that is them. Just look at those braids, clean, neat, professionally done by yourself. You can do this. Believe in yourself, girl. So here I'm also showing you how I did that again. So apply your jam. Now on the jam there are actually 2 types. You can use the red or the yellow one. So I didn't have the yellow one, that's why I chose this, and it's also good, worked as well as the other one. So apply your jam to the ends, secure the hair, use more than one rubber band if the ones you have are weak. Secure it carefully. Apply jam on the rest of your hair, that part. Let me show you guys. There you go. Make sure you apply the jam. Now this is giving it an easy way to blend in with the braiding hair. You can't tell the difference, you know. Take your hair again, section, fold it into two, and then just take a small part, exactly like that. Use your finger to make a separation there, exactly that, and then place it on your natural hair. After placing it on your natural hair, drop that down and then start braiding. Yes, exactly that. It's very easy. Once you start braiding and you secure the part, it becomes very easy for you to continue braiding the rest of your hair, and you can just continue or even swap on the other part if swapping on the other direction is what works for you. But now this, when securing on the beginning of the part, that is why I think this is very necessary. So I did that on the front part as well. I ended up having 6, 5, those are 11 braids. I divided my back hair into 3 sections. You can divide it into 4 if you wish, and then I did the same, and here are the results. I used about 3 hours to do this hair. I started off at around 6 p.m, ended up at 9ish, and that is how it looks. I love that it's clean, the scalp is, you know, driving clean and everything. So the next part is taking care of your scalp. Take care of your scalp, take care of your scalp. So I'm applying a hair growth oil. I will tag the IG page for this oil if you're interested, or you can also comment on the section. You can comment on the comment sections below. So I ended up having in total around 20. Those are 20 something braids anyway. So I hope you guys have learned a thing. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, again, kindly click on the subscription box. I'll be uploading weekly, each week a new hair video or lifestyle video. We'll see how that goes. But thank you so much for your support. Thank you for subscribing, for liking, and for leaving your comment. Bye bye guys. See you on the next video. And again, subscribe. Bye bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.